All right, guys. So today I'm just going to show you how to make a really cool climate graph. There's kind of a lot of pen and paper type climate graph, but I think this will kind of make it super clean. You can use it. You can make multiples if you want, and then you can also use it for kind of a study guide. Okay. So what I have here, I'm just going to move myself over here. There. All right. So what I have here is that I've opened up a I would use Google Sheets. Just it's a little bit easier. So again, I've opened up these three sheets, and then in here, I've created just multiple sheets in order to for these questions here that you're going to get as well. Okay, so I've inputted all these numbers. So what I did, I created month, I created precipitation, and then I created temperature. Okay, and then I've kind of put January all the way through till December. And then I've kind of just matched these numbers over here. So these are going to be here. So I've matched those numbers there. Okay. So once you have this database kind of formed, this is where you're going to start working on it. Okay. So what you want to do, you just want to highlight. So you go to the corner, you highlight everything. Okay. Then you're going to go to this little button up here, insert chart. So just like that, okay, your climate graph is somewhat created, but it's not quite done yet. Okay. So there's a few little touch-ups that we need to do. So your series have already completed in terms of what you want to name this this chart. Okay, I'll just make it a little bit bigger just so we can see here. All right. So now we want to go to customize, just in the top corner here. First thing, whoops, even before that, my fault. I want to click on this. Okay, so the chart type. So this is going to be important. So I want to go down here to line. All right. I don't want that one. That's not the one I want. Oops, but I want the third one. Now, as you can see, it's looking a lot more like a climate graph, all right? Then I gotta go to customize, okay? Now I wanna start playing with this stuff. I wanna make it a little bit more climate graph-like, okay? So first off, I wanna name this, okay? I wanna remove this name here because that's not the name of my climate graph, right? It goes under cities. So we're gonna go city, this one I believe is city C. We'll call this city C. Okay. Now, again, still not a climate graph, but at least you have the gist of it up here. Okay. I want to close off this tab, and then I want to go down to series, I believe. Yes. So now I'm in series. Now I want to apply these. Okay. So like we've looked at, precipitations, bars work. Okay. I don't need to change that. I can keep that color if I want. So that's up to you to decide later. But I do want to change the temperature piece. Okay. I want to make it a little bit more visual, a little bit more appealing, I guess. All right. So I can maybe make the lines. I can maybe make some dots. But now I can change the thickness of it as well. Okay. Then the cool thing is now I can add. So then my climate graph looks a little bit more like this. Okay. As you can see, I've added dots, and then I can change it however I want, but it looks a little bit more appealing this way. Okay. So now again, you can rearrange how you want it, little triangles. It's really up to you. I would just keep it with circles. It's a little bit more definite, and it's there. Okay. Again, we're not quite done yet. Okay. What you've done is that you've only taken this data and you've created your chart. But now I kind of want to save it. So I go to the three little dots up here. Okay. I want to publish this chart. Nope, not that. Okay. I want to download. Okay. Yeah, sorry, move to own sheet. All right, and here you go. You created your first climate graph. Okay, you have your precipitations on this. Okay, blue means precipitation, temperature means red, month, and then millimeters up on the side. So here you have it. You have your first chart. Now, this is now typed into here, and now I can copy. I can do whatever I want. I can even download this chart. Okay, I can download it as a JPEG if I then need to insert it somewhere. So here I have my perfect chart. It is indicated. You can go and fix it up however you want to do, fix it up, and there you go. All right. So that's how you create a climate graph chart using Google Sheets. Quite easy, but I think the hardest part is going to be just inputting all that data. But once you got that done, you're good to go. It'll make your chart as easy as possible. All right. Thank you.